Beauty routines can be so long and so complicated, but fashion and lifestyle expert Natalie Sexton is here to help us streamline our spring beauty routine. So welcome, and what can you tell us? How can you help us here?
Hi, yes, I've got you covered literally from head to toe today, Sylvie. So let's start off with the neck down. So I've got a new body wash from Olay, and it's their body lotion with collagen. So the nice thing here is that it's formulated with Olay's B3 complex. So it's going to give you that ultimate hydration. The nice thing as well is that it quickly absorbs into the skin without a greasy feel. I can't stand that with body moisturizer. So this one goes on nice and smooth. It actually penetrates the skin 10 layers deep, so you are getting that ultimate hydration, and you're going to find that really easy at all major retailers for under $20. So a really great price point there as well.
That is. Anything else?
Yes, of course. So now let's talk about skincare. So first up, I'm going to share a beautiful face wash with you today. It's Pacifica Vegan Ceramide Extra Gentle Face Wash. So this is a new vegan cleanser from Pacifica Beauty, available at Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a really lightweight foaming formula here. So it cleanses and removes makeup at the same time without stripping the skin. It's made with vegan ceramides that help protect your skin's natural moisture barrier. It contains marshmallow root extract and calendula that's going to help to calm and soothe the skin. You can also check out the Shoppers Drug Mart website and use their virtual skin analysis tool, and that's going to help you choose all the perfect products for your skincare routine. Then next up, I'm always talking about retinol. I'm always sharing this on my Instagram. There's some really great collections out there, and one of my favorites here is the Olay Retinol 24 Max collection. So it actually has 20% more retinol than Olay's original collection, but it's still just as easy to use and easy on the skin on an everyday basis. I've got the night cream here, beautiful to use every night. You wake up with brighter skin, with a softer texture, and again, really promotes hydration. If you're going to use retinol products in the daytime, I would highly suggest though that you use a sunscreen, because your skin is going to be a little more sensitive. If you're new to retinol products, I would suggest using them, sort of easing your way into them. So maybe use them a couple of times a week. But again, this one's really gentle on the skin, so it's meant to be used on a daily basis. Again, you'll find that at all major retailers.
Retinol is very in right now. So what are the benefits of retinol? Why do people use it?
You know what, Sylvia, it really promotes hydration for the skin, and it does help remove those fine lines and wrinkles that we get as time goes by. So yes, it helps to really promote the skin's natural moisture barrier as well. Another great, really trending product, but I think this is something that you want to add into your daily routine. I use this on a regular basis, is a vitamin C serum. So this is the one that we're going to use after we cleanse in the morning. We're going to apply 4 to 5 drops to the skin. And I have like the holy grail of all vitamin C serums here from a line called SkinCeuticals. You'll find them at skinceuticals.ca. They're a science-based skincare line, and I'm sharing their CE ferulic serum here. It's actually made with 15% pure vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. So what this does is it protects against environmental stresses to the skin that can be caused by free radicals. Again, we're improving the appearance of those fine lines and wrinkles, really brightens the skin, improves firmness, amazing for all skin types as well. And the nice thing going into the summer months is it's also a pigment inhibitor. So it's going to help stop things like those dreaded sunspots that happen. All
right, we have time for one more quick thing. So can we pack this all away?
Absolutely. I've got some really great beauty buys here from Winners. Now that maybe we're looking at taking some vacations, I hit up their beauty department. Everything that I'm showing you is actually under $20. I think when we make our packing a little easier and more streamlined, then we're sort of setting the tone to have a really great relaxed vacation. I found some great cases. I love the silk sleep masks. And then these cute little manicure kits, those were actually under $10. So we want to just streamline. We often think about what we're packing for clothes and kind of forget about maybe all these beauty products that I showed you today that we do need to pack up. So it's just taking the worry out of that. And again, we're not breaking the bank. Plus, they're super cute too.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Natalie Sexton. We'll have all of this up on our website. Those are some great beauty tips for spring. So thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
Take care.
Bye.